Hello and welcome to On Two Wheels. And my name is Dilesh. I'm an amateur enduro and adventure rider based in Melbourne, and this is my YouTube channel. On this channel, you will get to see enduro rides, adventure rides, motorcycle repairs, modifications, maintenance, and of course, the stories that we like to share as riding enthusiasts. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to On Two Wheels. Also, click the bell icon to get notifications of the latest videos. So my target is to release a video every week, maybe even 2 videos if I have the content. Over the years, I've been lucky enough to do some really memorable rides and meet some amazing people. And these are the kind of riding stories we all love to hear. So what do I ride? I ride a Suzuki DRZ 400, Australia's favorite dual sport bike. This particular bike happens to be my third DRZ 400. It's a great do-it-all bike, everything from the work commute to adventure rides to even climbing sand dunes. I also ride a KTM 300, the enduro bike of choice for many. Enduro riding is something that I got into recently, and honestly I haven't had that many rides yet, with lockdown and everything. Through this channel, you will get to follow my progression in enduro riding. So what videos can you expect to see on this channel? Over the years, I've captured a lot of action cam footage which hasn't really seen the light of day. So something that I really want to do is use this footage and make some ride videos that everyone can enjoy in the future. I do all of my maintenance and most of my repairs by myself. And I have found that every single time that I take the motorcycle apart, it has become a learning opportunity. So I plan to share my learnings through some DIY mechanic videos. I also have a couple of modification projects in mind, so follow me to see how that goes. Well, with COVID lockdown, we can't really do much riding these days. So that means it's a great opportunity for me to start on my modification projects and DIY projects that I've got in mind. So follow me to see how those projects go. I hope this is something you enjoy and want to see more of. So subscribe and stay tuned on what's to come. Thank you for watching. Cheers.